Director at Elevate. We're down here on site again at the Lyceum to give you a bit of an update on construction over the past couple of weeks. So guys, as you can see around me, work is progressing nicely. The external clear out phases are now complete and we're expecting men on the inside of the building to conduct the internal clear out phases at the beginning of next week. Once the internal rip out phases and excavation works are complete, we're way ahead of target to have people ready to put the foundations in on the internal work early November. That's all from us here today, guys. Join us back here in a couple of weeks where we'll be on the inside of the building, hopefully giving you an update of the initial clear out phases. Thank you very much.